This is one of my favorite examples because it is from the first day that generative fill launched in Photoshop. I am not a Photoshop expert. I own a branding agency, but I hire creatives to help me on things like brand identity development, photography, website design. I dabble in all of them. I started as a one-person company, but it's not my expertise. This client, Carrie, bless her heart, loved her photos, hated how the red brick photographed from her photo shoot. Normally, we can't change the red brick. We'd have to reshoot. She'd have to pay money. We'd have to hire the photographer, get on the calendar, and have all kinds of stress in terms of staying on our timeline for her project. But the day that generative fill launched in Photoshop, all my creative peers were saying, look at how cool and easy it is to change the background of your photo. So I dabbled with it, tried it, and we ended up rematching the background of her photo to better match her visual brand, which are these bright kind of pastel, exciting colors. And the white brick looked really, really cool. So that's an instance where AI for me actually made a difference in my business.